hectic morning because kids. But we are headed on the bus to get to the Disney train. Okay, first sighting of the cruise ship. We saw it, but I was back there with Rosie, and now I'm up in the front so we can see it together. I'm so excited. It's right there, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there.
Over here with Mickey's on it.
Look. Go on your first cruise? Huh? There it is! Look at it! Oh my gosh! Welcome aboard! Welcome aboard! We're coming on! We're coming on! Oh my gosh!
Here we go, Rue.
Here we go! Here we go!
Vacation.
Woohoo!
Please welcome the Bird and Rock family. Welcome to the McDowell family.
We're here!
Welcome to the Brooks family.
Yay! I wanted to give a quick room tour of 8084, the Star Stateroom, and we do have a veranda view. So look, we have a little key card to turn on the lights. So very first, it's the bathroom. Very interesting, I know. Now next, they actually have two doors, so they're not connected. And then here is a sink and a tub shower, which is perfect for our girls because we obviously have little kids. And then if you look over on the other side, there are two closets. Here's a little safe, and then a closet with some life vests. One closet, two closets, some more storage. Here is just drawers. If you look. Now this is actually a connecting room if we had somebody next door, which we don't. And then I ordered a diaper genie. So if you didn't know, you can actually request to have like a diaper genie delivered to your room. There's Leanne. Here is the first queen size bed. There's Ruthie watching cartoons, and Ruthie's got her own bed, and they have this slider to give some privacy, which is just great. They have this little ottoman, which probably put shoes in there. Then they have this area. There's TV, some, you know, place to sit, plugs. This down here is a fridge. And then here is the, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Oh. Okay, here is our veranda. And there is our current view. It's got white walls separating. It's pretty nice size, I would say. So yeah, we're happy. We're comfortable in our home for the next 5 days. Yeah, we're in Cabanas. Oh, it's been hectic. I gotta tell you, cruising with 2 kids, not relaxing, but fun. But I wouldn't say it's relaxing. Just trying to get everybody situated and together. So we are heading out of Cabanas to go over to Vanellope's, which Ruthie saw as we were walking in. So, you guys, it is amazing though. I'll tell you one thing. It is an amazing, amazing ship. Here's Vanellope's sweet shop. Hey girl, look at you. Here's a baby. Look at you. So cool.
Look, Ruthie, Vanellope.
Jay?
The Royal Palace.
There it is. It's Mickey.
Where do we go?
No, what's the name of this restaurant?
Royal Palace.
The Royal Palace. We're in the Royal Palace right now. Trying to decide. They brought the kids food out right away. Both the girls are having salmon and rice and broccoli, and it looks like a little yogurt parfait. And then there are so many choices. There's the duck confit. There's Gaston escargot as like appetizers, iced lobster, breaded and deep fried brie. And then there's like soups and salads, and there's a French onion soup. There's a farmhouse salad, which is what I'm thinking. And then they have like a pasta, they've got salmon, they've got duck, they've got filet. So pretty sure I'm gonna get the farmhouse salad. It's amazing, and I'm definitely gonna get the roasted steak. Right? So I got the fields green salad, gluten free. So I mean, look at my baby. I got it. Ooh, gluten-free, so that means without the crostini. And then I'm hoping for, are you eating your food? There was supposed to be goat cheese on it. Leanne is dairy and gluten-free, so I think they might have mixed it up. I'm hoping to get goat cheese because it's my favorite. What? You what? My dress?
Yeah, you Mary Poppins.
Your Mary Poppins dress? You want to show everybody your Mary Poppins? My mom made Ruthie the Mary Poppins dress from Mary Poppins Returns. And it's amazing. She hand painted it and created the pattern and everything because Susie is the Edna Mode of our family. So anyway, her dress is amazing. She came to dinner so eating the field green salad so far, so good. Let's take a bite. I mean, I'm still gonna ask for the goat cheese, but minus the goat cheese. I already started eating, but I got the filet with, I don't know, Bernaise sauce. seasoning for sure. Rice, green beans. It's very, very good. And Leanne got, looks like veggies and... What did you get? Hey, what'd you get?
Sorbet.
Yeah? You excited? What kind is it? Like a berry? Raspberry. And who is asleep?
Rosie.
And look at her. And they were all ready for dessert for us. So we are having a creme brulee, which I'm super excited about because I love creme brulee. So, all right, here we go. Creme brulee. First bite. Like pudding with like a caramel, like a crunchy caramel. I know. So good. So good. Spicy down.
Anybody 7?
We are.
Oh.
Disappeared because I am not feeling good. I think you guys know I can't do like spinning rides. I actually have really bad motion sickness. And I'm not faring so well, so I'm looking forward to being in port in the Bahamas. We are not getting off the boat, but we are going to be doing the rainforest room tomorrow, and putting Rosie to bed. Ruthie's already asleep. We will see you in the morning. Good night.